Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming drive type and ensuring power is off. You need a screwdriver, a SATA data cable, and either a PSU power connector or a USB to SATA adapter. Once you've grounded yourself, open the case or position the external adapter. Connect the SATA data cable to the drive first, then line up the power connector. This prevents bent pins and ensures stable spin-up current. Make sure connectors click. If using an enclosure, remove rubber inserts to fit the drive snugly. Once the cables are connected, slide the drive into a bay or place it into the enclosure and secure it with screws or the enclosure's clips. You want firm mounting to minimize vibration and noise. This also protects bearings. Then connect the other end of the SATA data cable to an available motherboard port and remember which port you used. After attaching the power lead, route cables away from airflow paths and fans. Good cable management helps cooling and reduces the chance of accidental disconnection later. Now power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to verify the drive is detected. Enable OSI for best SATA performance if it's not already set. Once the system boots, initialize and format the drive in your OS, choosing MBR for older systems or GPT for large drives. Create partitions and assign letters. If the drive doesn't show up, shut down, reseat both cables, try a different SATA port or power connector, and test the drive on another machine to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.